Now with pedals, I've mentioned this before, so I'm using a pedal wrench, 15 millimeters. To undo pedals, you push backwards. So on the drive side, they're actually threaded normal, so a clockwise rotation will tighten them down, but same with going forward. On the non-drive side, it's the same thing, push backwards, but when you're facing it from the non-drive side, you're actually going clockwise. So the threads on the left pedal are reverse threaded. And so I just like to remember to push backwards, push down from the back, and then they'll just come right off. And when you put them back on, it's push forward from the top. So again, on the drive side, push back, and then we can just pedal them right off. Get the pedals in, and like I said before, you push forward to install. These have an Allen key on the back, so I can just take the Allen in the back and thread it forward. Lock it in. I also have just greased it slightly. I'm gonna spin it forward from the top to install. You need to make sure most pedals are labeled, which is right and which is left, somewhere on the end of the spindle. Yeah, that should be good.